Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in KoinBX Exchange. When you enter the website, click on register, then we enter the registration section. Enter your name, last name and phone number, plus email address and password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. Repeat your password for confirmation. If you have a referral code, enter it here. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. Finally, click on register. We're going to receive a code in our email. Go to your email in KoinBX profile, copy the code, then paste it here. Click on submit. We enter the login section, enter your email and password, then click on login. Pay attention that before you log into your account, you have to activate your account. Go to your email, in KoinBX profile, click on activation link. Our account has been activated, click on login, enter your email and password, finally click on login. We're going to receive another code. In order to log into our account, go to your email, click on KoinBX, copy the code, then paste it here. Click on verify. Then we enter our accounts dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in KoinBX Exchange. Good luck.